Hello everyone, welcome to Banking Short Selection. Friends, I am Shivam Sharma, previously was in IDBI, now selected in Bank of Baroda. In this video, we will do daily GK update of 23 July. If you want this PDF, get us to our WhatsApp GA group and Facebook group, link are in the pinned comments. KVIC launched its first footwear training center in which city? It is in Delhi. So you should remember that KVIC first footwear training center in Delhi, and most important is KVIC under which ministry? So it is MSME ministry. I have told you so many times, MSME ministry. International Trade Union Confederation. It is headquartered in Brussels. So you should remember that International Trade Union Confederation headquarter is in Brussels. Also World Steel Association headquarter is also in Brussels. So you should remember both World Steel Association and Trade Union Confederation, Brussels. Mukhyamantri Ghar Ghar Ration Scheme. It is of Delhi. Mukhyamantri Ghar Ghar Ration Scheme, दिल्ली. एंड दिल्ली से याद आया, थर्मल कोरोना कॉम्बैट हेडगियर भी दिल्ली पुलिस का है, आयुरक्षा भी दिल्ली पुलिस की है. यूनियन बैंक कॉर्पोरेट एजेंसी पैक्ट विद LIC. सो यू शुड रिमेंबर यूनियन बैंक कॉर्पोरेट एजेंसी पैक्ट विद LIC. जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस ओनली. FamPay plus IDFC Bank released Fam card. It is a numberless card and available on RuPay payment network of merchants. So you should remember FamPay plus IDFC Bank launched Fam card. So question can be asked that with which bank FamPay launched Fam card? So it is IDFC Bank and it is numberless card. India plus Maldives emergency medical service unit. Also समुद्र सेतु मालदीव्स के लिए था एंड 55 डेज में कंप्लीट हुआ था. सो इंडिया प्लस मालदीव इमरजेंसी medical service unit. India will open medical service unit in Maldives. Andhra Pradesh plus Amul to help women self-help group. Andhra Pradesh tie up with Amul for women self-help group. Punjab plus IIT Ropar for skill development. So you should remember that Punjab plus IIT Ropar for skill development. Also war boat was launched by IIT Ropar in April. It was in news, that's why I have mentioned. R. Narayan Swamy, Technical Advisory Committee of National Financing Reporting Authority. So you should remember that R. Narayan Swamy Committee for National Financial Reporting Authority. So you should remember this. Prakash Kandpal is now MD of SBI General Insurance. Sumit Deb, he is now CMD of NMDC, and Rosni Nadar, wife or daughter of Shiv Nadar, I think, SCL Technology. So Rosni Nadar SCL, Sumit Dev NMDC, and Prakash Kandpal SBI General Insurance. Gulbenkian Prize for Humanity to Greta Thunberg. She is a Swedish peace activist and she has got Nobel Prize also. Gulbenkian Prize for Humanity, Greta Thunberg. Bharat drone by Terminal Ballistic Research Laboratory Chandigarh under DRDO. So you should remember that Bharat drone by Terminal Ballistic Research Laboratory Chandigarh, it is a part of DRDO. Flight test of MGTD-20 gas turbine engine. So just remember that MGTD-20 gas turbine engine is of Russia. Barry German, he died. He was cricketer Barry German, Australian cricketer Barry German. International Year of Creative Economy for Sustainable Development by UN. So 2021 ईयर रखा है क्रिएटिव इकोनॉमी फॉर सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट. बट यहाँ पे यू कैन रीड दैट प्रपोजल टू UN टू डिक्लेयर 2021 एज इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ पीस एंड ट्रस्ट. इट इज़ प्रपोजल बाय टर्कमेनिस्तान. सो यू शुड रिमेंबर दैट टर्कमेनिस्तान ने ये प्रपोजल दिया है कि 2021 को इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ पीस एंड ट्रस्ट रखना चाहिए. बट ऑलरेडी UN ने क्रिएटिव इकोनॉमी फॉर सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट करके ये ईयर 2021 में दे दिया है. सो यू शुड रिमेंबर बोथ. ई सचिवालय पोर्टल, इट इज़ ऑफ हरियाणा. सो सिंपल, इट ई सचिवालय पोर्टल हरियाणा. नाउ स्टैटिक फ्रॉम करंट इंडियन नेशनल सेंटर फॉर ओशन इंफॉर्मेशन सर्विसेज. So you should remember it in Hyderabad. Ocean Information Services Hyderabad, Hornbill Festival is of Nagaland, and ARC is Asset Reconstruction Company. So this was the video for today. If you like the content, kindly subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.